Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Jazz and I'm back with a quick video for you. So I'm starting off with an old Flexi rod set. This is 5th day hair and I've lost most of my definition, but I'm not ready to wash my hair. So I've partnered with Q-Redew and they have a steamer that is perfect for restyling your hair if you don't want to wash it. So they have this cute little compartment that comes out. You fill that up with water and you simply clip that back in. You wait for the light to stop blinking and you're ready to go. Test out the steam first before you get started just to make sure you're all set. And it's pretty simple. I thought it was going to be a lot more complicated, but you really just apply the steam to your hair and you'll be amazed how quickly your hair starts to loosen up and retain the moisture that is provided by the steam and detangle quite quickly. So not only does this add volume and refresh your hair without needing to start your style over, it adds moisture, which helps increase elasticity, which helps prevent breakage. Now, a lot of times when I refrain from doing styles that require a blown out look, it's because I don't want to use a blow dryer because I'm afraid of hair breakage. So this is a great substitute for that to achieve that blown out look. So I just want to stop and show you how far I gotten with just that little bit of water, and which obviously produces a lot of steam because I was able to get through pretty much my entire head. So I refilled the steamer and just went right back to it. This took me about 25 minutes. I wouldn't say any longer than that, which is a breeze compared to how long it would have taken me to rewash my hair, redo my deep treatment, all of that before I can even begin to style my hair. So that's a plus, especially with just having washed my hair a few days prior. I'm just refreshing the products that are already there and we're all steamed and ready to go into a new style. Another good thing about the steamer is that it helps conditioners and treatments penetrate the hair shaft. So with that, I'm going to be using a hair milk and then I'll apply the steamer a few more times just for that added penetration of this hair product. And then I'll set my hair on the Flexi rod, and then the moisture provided will help in the drying process as far as setting to make sure I get that added and great definition that I'm looking for. Nothing special about the Flexi rod process, but the only difference here being that I'm using dry hair. When you get toward the end, since my hair is not going to wrap around itself while it's wet, I just flip up the Flexi rod in the spot where my hair ends and it stays in place. Being that my hair was already dry, I simply just let it air dry overnight. Didn't really need too much as far as drying because my hair was not soaking wet. And as you can see, the definition is awesome. By adding that extra moisture with the product, really gave it that great definition. So these are going to be a lot chunkier than my last ones, and I'm going to get a lot more stretch because I did this on dry hair, which is going to leave a great overall look in the end. So I used 12 Flexi rods total using larger sections. The previous Flexi rod I did with wet hair, I did 17. So these were even larger sections, resulting in even chunkier sections, which were great. So with separating, I'm pulling on these, giving it that much more stretch, and then just separating them where they come naturally. You don't really have to do much with this because you don't want any unnecessary frizz. So as you see, just pull on them slightly and then separate. And then without even fluffing my roots, the volume that I've achieved is amazing. So using the steamer to stretch my hair for the volume is an alternative for someone who has a lot of shrinkage when they do wet sets. So that's something to think about when you're thinking of more of a stretch style. Overall, I was very pleased with this style, especially the volume that I achieved using the steam versus a blow dryer. And also the moisture. My hair is left soft and moisturized and it's not dry, which is kind of the effect that I get when I use a blow dryer. So very happy with this. As always, make this style your own at this point. I didn't separate that much, but comment down below, let me know what you think about this style. If you'd like to use the steamer, I'll put the link down below where you can get one. And until next time, thanks for watching.